Using the bulk action features. In this video, we will teach you how to utilize the bulk action section of your system. We do have separate videos and tutorials that cover each action individually, but for now, we just want to provide you with an overview of how to use the bulk actions and what they really are. So if you start by navigating to the Contacts and Smart List section, here in the top of the Contacts page, you'll see a bunch of different icons for bulk actions. These are actions you can apply to multiple contacts at one time. For example, you can add to a campaign or workflow, you can add a tag, remove a tag, send review requests, and more. The great thing about this feature is that you can utilize these bulk action icons to apply an action to multiple contacts at one time. So let's take a look at how to do this. Here within the Contacts page, you can select the box at the top to check all contacts on a particular page, and then you can click this hyperlink here to select all the records within your system. Or you can just individually select contacts you'd like to apply an action for. So let's say these 5 random contacts that I've picked are 5 people that I want to add a tag to. Once I've checked this box next to their contact record, I can select the bulk action icon for add a tag, and then here I can choose a tag, and the tag will be added to those contact records. I could also perhaps add them to a campaign or workflow. Here I could choose the campaign or workflow I'd like to add them to. I could choose a delivery window, such as adding them all at once right now, adding them all at once at a future date and time. So maybe I want them to all be added to the campaign on Monday at 4 p.m. or next Friday at noon. Or I could add them in drip mode, such as add one contact to the campaign every hour for the next 5 hours, or every day over the next 5 days. And then I can enter a description for internal tracking purposes, and then click this button to add them to the campaign workflow. There are many actions that you can choose from, and utilizing the bulk action features are just great ways that you can be more efficient within your system by applying an action to multiple contacts at one time. Please feel free to check out our other videos and tutorials on each specific action individually, but for now, we hope this overview helps you to just understand how to use the bulk actions as a whole and how they can benefit you for your system. Thanks!